Did you know that traditional video editing can take up to 40% of a content creator's time? With the rise of artificial intelligence, could this process become more efficient and streamlined? Adobe has taken a significant leap in the world of video editing by introducing its groundbreaking generative AI tools during the recent Adobe MAX 2024 conference. These innovative features, powered by Adobe's Firefly generative AI models, promise to revolutionize the way creatives approach video production. In an industry where traditional video editing can be an incredibly time-consuming process, often requiring hours to achieve just a few minutes of polished footage, Adobe's new capabilities aim to streamline workflows and enhance creativity. With tools like Generative Extend, which allows users to seamlessly fill gaps in footage and smooth transitions, along with text-to-video and image-to-video functionalities that convert scripts and still images into dynamic videos, Adobe is not just simplifying tasks, it's empowering creators to explore new dimensions of storytelling. These advancements could dramatically reduce editing time, enabling professionals to focus on their artistic vision rather than getting bogged down in technical details. As we delve deeper into these tools, we'll uncover how they are set to reshape the future of video editing and the creative landscape. In the fast-paced world of content creation, video editors face a myriad of challenges that can hinder their productivity and creativity. One of the most pressing issues is time constraints. With the increasing demand for high-quality video content across various platforms, editors are often under immense pressure to deliver projects on tight deadlines. This urgency can lead to rushed decisions and subpar edits, which ultimately affect the final product's quality. The challenge of balancing speed with creativity is a constant struggle, as editors strive to meet client expectations while also maintaining their artistic vision. Another significant hurdle is the complexity of modern editing software. While tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro offer powerful features, they also come with steep learning curves. Many editors, especially those new to the field, may find themselves overwhelmed by the extensive options and intricate workflows. Navigating through a plethora of settings, menus, and functions can consume valuable time, detracting from the creative process. This complexity not only slows down the editing process but also discourages experimentation and innovation, as editors may stick to familiar techniques rather than exploring new possibilities. Moreover, video editors often contend with the challenge of managing large volumes of footage. Organizing, tagging, and locating the right clips can be a daunting task, especially when dealing with hours of raw material. The effort required to curate content can further extend production timelines, making it difficult to maintain momentum on projects. Collaboration is another area where video editors face challenges. In a typical production environment, multiple stakeholders, such as directors, producers, and clients, may provide feedback at different stages of the editing process. This can result in numerous rounds of revisions, leading to confusion and miscommunication. Coordinating feedback and implementing changes can create bottlenecks, further exacerbating time constraints and stress. Ultimately, these challenges highlight the need for innovative solutions that not only streamline the editing process, but also enhance the creative capabilities of video professionals. Adobe's introduction of generative AI tools addresses these pain points, offering editors a chance to reclaim their time and focus on what truly matters: storytelling. Adobe's introduction of new generative AI video tools at the Adobe MAX 2024 conference marks a significant step forward in addressing the challenges faced by video editors today. The company has harnessed its Firefly generative AI models to create innovative features that simplify the editing process, enhance creativity, and improve efficiency. One of the standout offerings is Generative Extend, available in Adobe Premiere Pro. This tool allows editors to extend video clips seamlessly to cover gaps in footage. Instead of manually cutting, rearranging, or re-recording shots to achieve a polished edit, users can utilize Generative Extend to fill in spaces, smooth transitions, or elongate shots. This capability not only saves precious editing time but also reduces the mental strain associated with making these technical adjustments, allowing editors to focus more on their creative vision. Another significant feature is text-to-video and image-to-video. With these capabilities, editors can generate video content directly from text prompts. Imagine a scenario where a creator has a brilliant idea but lacks the footage to bring it to life. By simply entering descriptive text, the AI can generate corresponding video content, complete with camera controls for angle, motion, and zoom. This reduces the reliance on extensive libraries of pre-recorded footage and enables users to create visually compelling stories without the logistical headaches typically involved in video production. Moreover, the image-to-video function takes still images or illustrations and animates them into dynamic video clips. This is particularly useful for educators, marketers, and social media creators who want to bring static content to life without investing in elaborate production setups. By transforming static visuals into engaging videos, creators can better capture their audience's attention and convey messages more effectively. The challenge of navigating complex software is also addressed through the introduction of a generative workspace in Photoshop. This intuitive interface allows designers to collaborate in real-time, brainstorming and iterating concepts simultaneously. The seamless integration of Adobe Firefly empowers users to work faster and more creatively, as they can quickly generate visuals that align with their project needs. By simplifying the workflow, Adobe is alleviating the steep learning curve associated with traditional editing software, enabling even novice users to produce stunning results. In addition to enhancing creativity, Adobe's tools prioritize commercial safety. The Firefly video model has been trained exclusively on licensed and public domain content, ensuring that the generated video material is legally safe for commercial use. This addresses the growing concerns about copyright infringement and content ownership in the age of AI, allowing creators to produce and share their work without fear of legal repercussions. Finally, Adobe's commitment to responsible innovation is evident in its emphasis on content credentials. These digital nutrition labels provide transparency about how content is created and edited, fostering accountability and trust in the use of AI-generated materials. By adhering to ethical standards, Adobe is leading the charge in creating a future where AI tools support and enhance human creativity without compromising integrity. In summary, Adobe's new generative AI video tools not only tackle the common challenges faced by video editors, such as time constraints, software complexity, and collaboration issues, but also empower creators to push the boundaries of their craft. By streamlining workflows and enhancing creative possibilities, Adobe is positioning itself at the forefront of the video editing revolution, paving the way for a new era of content creation that is efficient, innovative, and commercially safe. What do you think about the role of AI in video editing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this topic interesting, don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the latest tech trends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. A compelling demonstration of Adobe's new generative AI video tools in action took place during the Adobe MAX 2024 conference, showcasing a real-world case study that highlighted their transformative impact on video editing workflows. The spotlight was on a short documentary project created by a team of independent filmmakers who faced tight deadlines and limited resources. Using Adobe's Generative Extend feature, the filmmakers were able to seamlessly extend clips to fill in gaps created by unforeseen challenges during filming, such as unanticipated weather changes and scheduling conflicts. Instead of compromising their storytelling due to incomplete footage, they utilized the AI tool to create smooth transitions and maintain narrative continuity. This not only saved them hours of manual editing but also allowed them to focus more on the emotional and artistic aspects of their film. In another part of the demonstration, the filmmakers employed the text-to-video feature to generate additional content based on script prompts. For instance, when they needed a scenic backdrop to convey the beauty of a location mentioned in the voiceover, they simply typed a descriptive prompt into the software. Within moments, Adobe's AI generated stunning visuals that captured the essence of the location, complete with dynamic camera movements that enhanced the storytelling. This feature empowered the filmmakers to create visually rich narratives without having to venture out for additional shoots, thus conserving both time and resources. The results were evident. Not only did the filmmakers complete their project weeks ahead of schedule, but they also delivered a product that exceeded their creative expectations. Their documentary was celebrated for its visual depth and seamless storytelling, showcasing the profound potential of Adobe's AI tools to revolutionize the video editing landscape. This case study serves as a powerful testament to how integrating generative AI can dramatically enhance efficiency and creativity, enabling filmmakers to realize their visions in ways that were previously unimaginable. In summary, Adobe's new generative AI tools, showcased during the Adobe MAX 2024 conference, represent a significant leap forward in video editing. With features like Generative Extend and text-to-video, these tools tackle common challenges faced by editors, such as time constraints and the complexities of traditional software. By streamlining workflows and enhancing creativity, Adobe's AI capabilities empower filmmakers to produce high-quality content more efficiently. As demonstrated in the real-world case study, these innovations not only improve productivity, but also elevate the artistic potential of video projects, paving the way for a new era in content creation.